Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Kia Sportage radio. First, ensure your vehicle is off and you have a plastic trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver ready. Begin by gently prying off the side dashboard cover on the passenger side. This panel is held by clips, so work slowly around the edges. Next, carefully loosen the upper center console cover. You don't need to remove it completely, just enough to access the next trim piece. With the side cover off, you will find a hidden screw. Remove this screw using your Phillips head screwdriver. Now, gently begin to detach the long horizontal dashboard garnish. This piece is held by several clips along its length, so apply even pressure and work your way around. After that, carefully remove the center AC vent panel. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips or the trim itself. Now that the trim panels are out of the way, you will see the radio unit. Locate and remove the 4 Phillips head screws holding it in place, typically 2 on each side. Once the screws are out, carefully grip the sides of the infotainment unit and pull it straight out. Be mindful of the wiring behind it. Reach behind the unit and disconnect all wiring harnesses by pressing their small release tabs and gently wiggling them free. Before fully extracting the radio unit, double-check that all electrical cables are completely disconnected. Once free, you can remove the unit. To reassemble, simply reverse the steps, ensuring all panels and screws are securely put back in place for a factory-fresh look. Remember to reconnect all wiring harnesses to the new or original radio. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.